There you go, guys. Just a quick one. For those that are looking to get beams into place and not sure how to do it if you don't have any gear except for the timber, well, here we have. This is a pigsty. Okay, we use 4 foot long pine blocks, 6x5s, and that's how we lift houses. Just as good for lifting beams, as we got on a couple of videos where I've lifted this big 1.5 tonne one that's just above me. It's still got to move yet. Just as good for putting little ones up. If you can't, like we got an edge over there, I had to build some stys there to level up to be able to bring a level platform to start with. So very handy for leveling up. I don't have a duck lifter with me, I haven't got one on hire at the moment. So we do it the old fashioned way. We got the blocks here, so I'll just block it up. Frank's busy welding, so I'm doing this by myself. One man job, just slowly put it up. You know, if you've got 2 men, great. Just lift one end, poke a block under, move around, lift another end, poke a block under. Just keep on pushing it up, and it'll get you there. I've got to go up to the top of those, to the top of that stump with the top of the beam. So, yeah, 3 foot, nearly 4 foot I've got to lift. So I'll get that the next hour or so. Just do it by myself. So, yeah, if you think it's not capable of being done by yourself, you're wrong. I've done this many times over the last 35 years, where no labourers around. You've got to do it yourself. Whether you're lowering it down or lifting it up. One man can do it. And don't ever think the pyramids were done this way, because they weren't. There's no way you could do a pyramid like this. Okay, I will catch you again soon. All right, talk soon. See ya, bye.